Hello, my name is Gabriel Gomen, and today I'm going to talk about how you can enable workplace transformation with SASE. So before everything moved to the cloud, applications were in the data center, a branch connected to the data center through a dedicated line such as MPLS. The problem with MPLS, it was costly, the bandwidth was limited, and it was difficult to spin up a new branch. If a user wanted to connect to a cloud application, the traffic needed to be backhauled to the data center, which of course impacted application performance. The fact is IoT devices at that time were not that many, they were clearly not managed. A remote worker connected to the data center through VPN. The problem with VPN is that once a user is connected, it gave access to all resources in the organization, which of course was a clear security risk. How things have changed nowadays? First of all the application most of the business application actually move to the cloud. Remote working is the new norm, and the number of IoT devices has exploded, which increased the attack surface. How you can transform the workplace with SASE. So the first step would be to implement sd-wan solution in the branch and in the data center so that you can combine MPLS with internet and optimize the traffic. The fact is SD-WAN also have optimization technique such as path conditioning and WAN optimization. SD-WAN is also very flexible because you can intelligently steer the traffic to the cloud so that you no longer need to backhaul the traffic to the data center. Another point with SD-WAN is that you can actually deploy SD-WAN directly in the cloud to cloud service providers such as GCP, Azure, AWS, so that you establish an end-to-end resilient connection between your branch and your cloud service provider. Second point is IoT. So we mentioned that the number of IoT devices has exploded. Advanced SD-WAN solution now include a next generation firewall inside SD-WAN so that you can segment the traffic based on role and identity so that users on IoT devices reach destination consistent with their role in the business. So now let's go back to our remote worker. The next step to enable the workplace transformation will be to replace VPN, with ZTNA. ZTNA stands for Zero Trust Network Access, and it works on a least privilege access principle, so that remote worker only access the resource they need in the organization on a need-to-know basis. The next step would be SWG, Secure Web Gateway. The fact is that this user, or this branch user, can access, cloud applications such as gambling, malicious website, and you need to protect organization against web-based threats such as phishing and ransomware. With SWG, you're going to perform security inspection such as URL filtering, content filtering, and web-based access control. This is done in real time so that organization can quickly respond to any security incident. SWG also block websites such as gambling website or adult website. Next step will be CASB for Cloud Access Security Broker. The problem with the cloud is that you put sensitive data in cloud applications such as, for example, software code in GitHub, some sensitive data in Dropbox, so that you need to control data flows. So CASB will inspect and identify sensitive data in the cloud. It will monitor user activities and prevent data loss. It will enforce security policies such as SSO and authentication. And it will prevent users from signing to applications that are not authorized by the organization, and this way prevent shadow IT. So if we summarize on how we can enable workplace transformation, so as we saw, first step will be implementing SD-wan. Next step will be implementing ZTNA with CASB, and this way you create a unified SASE solution in your organization. The benefit of this solution is first hybrid work. So you enable hybrid work, you enable a worker working from the branch or working remotely. It improves security. It improves quality of experience, especially with SD-wan. As we saw, you optimize network traffic, and you simplify the management because everything is centrally managed, and all the configuration policies are automatically pushed to the user or to the branch. So if you want to learn more, please visit our website.